When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and security of your Crestview home, one of the most impactful updates you can make is door replacement. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It plays a crucial role in setting the tone for your home's exterior and providing protection for your loved ones. Whether you're upgrading an old door or replacing one that's damaged, selecting the right door can elevate your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and enhance its overall value. In this article, we'll guide you through the key considerations when choosing the perfect replacement door for your Crestview home. From material options to security features, we'll break down the most important factors to help you make an informed decision. Consider the door material. The first step in choosing a replacement door is selecting the material that best suits your needs. The material not only affects the door's appearance but also its durability, insulation, and security. Here are some popular door materials to consider. Wooden doors. Wood has long been a popular choice for doors due to its timeless appeal and natural beauty. Wood doors can be highly customizable with a range of finishes, stains, and decorative details. However, they require regular maintenance to protect against the elements, such as painting or sealing, to prevent warping and rotting. Fiberglass doors. If you love the look of wood but prefer a low-maintenance option, fiberglass doors are a great alternative. They are durable, energy efficient, and resistant to moisture, making them ideal for Crestview's humid climate. Fiberglass can be made to mimic the look of wood while offering better protection from the elements. Steel doors. Steel doors are known for their strength and security. They provide excellent protection against break-ins and are highly resistant to damage, making them a great choice if security is a priority. Steel doors are often insulated, which also contributes to energy efficiency. However, they may be prone to dents and scratches, so it's important to choose a high-quality option. Aluminum doors. Aluminum doors are lightweight and low maintenance. They are typically used for patio doors or sliding doors and are resistant to rust and corrosion. However, they offer less insulation than fiberglass or wood and may not be the best choice for extreme weather conditions. Prioritize energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider when replacing a door. A door that isn't properly sealed or insulated can lead to energy loss, making your home less comfortable and driving up your energy bills. Insulated doors. Look for doors with insulation cores made of foam or polyurethane, which help to reduce heat transfer. Energy-efficient doors will keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter by providing a better seal and reducing drafts. Low-E glass. If your door includes glass inserts or windows, look for low-E glass, which helps to reflect heat and ultraviolet rays. This can help keep your home more comfortable and reduce the need for air conditioning or heating. Tight seals. Ensure that your replacement door has high-quality weather stripping and a tight seal around the edges. This will prevent drafts and help maintain your home's internal temperature, further boosting energy efficiency. Evaluate security features. Your door is the primary point of entry into your home, so security should always be a top priority. A strong door with secure locking mechanisms is essential for keeping your family and belongings safe. Solid core doors. Whether you choose a wooden, fiberglass, or steel door, make sure it has a solid core for enhanced security. Solid core doors are much more difficult to break into compared to hollow core doors, providing added protection against forced entry. Reinforced frames. Look for doors with reinforced frames and heavy-duty locks. Multi-point locking systems, which lock the door at multiple points along the frame, are particularly effective in preventing unauthorized entry. You may also want to consider a door with smart locks for added convenience and security. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass panels, consider impact-resistant glass that can withstand break-ins or extreme weather conditions. This is particularly important if you live in an area with frequent storms. Match your home's style. Your replacement door should complement the overall style of your home. Whether your home is modern, traditional, or transitional, there are door styles that can seamlessly integrate with your existing architecture. Traditional styles. If you have a more classic or traditional home, consider a door with panel designs, glass inserts, or carved details. A wooden door with a classic design can enhance the warmth and elegance of your entryway. Contemporary styles. For a modern home, sleek, minimalist doors made of fiberglass or steel may be the perfect fit. These doors often feature clean lines and large glass panels, offering a contemporary, stylish look while still providing durability and security. Custom designs. Many door manufacturers offer custom options to meet specific design needs. Whether you're looking for a unique finish, a specific shape, or a custom color, a custom door can add personality and charm to your home. Don't forget about maintenance. Maintenance plays a key role in the longevity and performance of your new door. Choose a material that fits your lifestyle and willingness to maintain it. Low maintenance materials. If you're looking for a door that requires minimal upkeep, consider fiberglass or steel. These materials are resistant to wear and tear, rust, and corrosion, making them ideal for homeowners who want a door that looks great with little maintenance. Wood doors. While beautiful, wood doors may require more attention over time. They need to be repainted or sealed regularly to prevent damage from moisture, sun exposure, and temperature changes. Budget consideration. Finally, your budget will play a significant role in choosing the right door for your replacement. While you want a door that is secure, energy efficient, and aesthetically pleasing, it's essential to select a door that fits within your budget. Weighing cost versus benefits. Consider the long-term benefits of a more energy-efficient or secure door. While a higher upfront cost may be involved, the energy savings and increased security can be worth the investment over time. Conclusion. Choosing the right door for your Crestview home replacement is essential for improving your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall value. By considering factors such as material, style, security features, and maintenance requirements, you can select the perfect door to meet your needs and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're upgrading your front door, adding a patio door, or replacing an old door, investing in a quality replacement door will provide long-lasting benefits and improve the comfort and beauty of your home.